name is Dasha. I'm also known as the hair doula. And today I'm going to show you a simple makeup tutorial. I'm actually doing this on Valentine's Day. This is going to be my Valentine's Day makeup. Having dinner with my family. Family dinner is going to be so fun. This is actually a look that my little sister Kaylee taught me how to do. It's very quick, very simple, very easy for a beginner like me. The hardest part is the eyeliner. But you know, we're going to see how it goes today and we're going to work it out. So, enjoy. Now, I want to make a super huge disclaimer. I am not an expert at makeup, okay? I am a beginner at makeup, I would say. Fairly beginner. Some people might give me intermediate, but I will be pushing it just a little bit. Be pushing it. So, nothing that I am doing or saying is a recommendation. None of it is a recommendation. You can do it if you want to. I do it every time I do my makeup routine, but nothing that I am doing is a recommendation. I'm not saying that I'm doing it the correct way. As a matter of fact, please feel free to direct me to links, suggestions, YouTubers, whoever that you feel I can learn from, or if you've got some information to drop for me, drop it. I'm literally here for the feedback. With that said, here's what I do in terms of foundation. I start with my foundation, and so my skin, the color of it, my complexion, apparently it's like hard to match. People often ask me if I'm like mixed with stuff. Like, what are you mixed with? I'm like, black and black. That's what I'm mixed with, black and black. Blackity black. So I have not yet found a foundation that just matches. So I be mixing stuff. So I'm using this Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD. I don't know what color it is or how I can tell you what color it is, because I don't know if what it says on the bottom is the color. But I mean, the bottom says Y505, and there's also a thing that says 7001. The Y505 is what's in a box, so maybe that is it. That's weird. Okay, anyways, and the other thing that I'm using, the other one that I'm using is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. It is number 355 Coconut. So I'm gonna be mixing these two. Literally, I'm gonna show y'all what I do, okay? Don't judge me. I'm gonna be saying this whole time. Don't judge me. Okay. I take the foundation, no particular order. I squirt it on my finger, and then I take the other foundation and I squirt it right on top of that one on my finger. So I have this pile of foundation on my finger, and then I mix it with my fingers like this. Boop, 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 boop. And then I paint myself like I'm going to war or something, and I rub it in with my fingers. That's it. And I make sure to get it everywhere. So I go down into my neck too, so that I don't have this weird line stopping right at my chin or at the base of, I don't know. So I don't have a line stopping right here either, just so it like kind of blends into the rest of my skin. And I also kind of drag it into my hairline, even though I'm gonna be taking my hair down, so you ain't really gonna see it, but you know, still. And that's pretty much what I do for the foundation. And then, like, I'm not about to do it right now because I'm content with this personally. But if I did want to cover up any marks a little bit more, I would literally just do the same thing with the foundation again, but with a smaller amount. And then I just would pat it. I'll show you one just so you know what I'm talking about. So like, leave the baby squirt, leave the baby dot, and then the mix on my fingertips. And I go boop, and I blend it out and boop with my finger. If you're a makeup expert, please don't slay me in the comments. Please don't slay me in the comments, please. That's how I set the base for my makeup look. Boop, 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 boop. That's what I do for my little dark marks. I tap and I blend it out. Layla, please stop. Thank you for trying to protect my life, but please stop. Layla, girl. And the thing is, y'all, I have a whole beauty blender. Don't use it. Don't use it, but I got one. I'm gonna use a makeup wipe to get this makeup off my hands. And then, so the next thing that I do is I put on this lip gloss. It's really not that old despite how old it looks right now. I just use it literally every single time I do my makeup. This is from Ulta. It's Ulta Beauty brand. It's a lip oil, juice infused lip oil. And it used to be clear, but now it's got foundation in there because I get foundation on my lips when I'm doing my foundation. I get foundation on my lips when I'm doing my foundation, and then I put this on my lips and foundation gets in there. So it tinted my foundation color. But I do this at the beginning because I feel like then by the end, the gloss is like come down to a reasonable amount of glossiness. And it's like the perfect amount of like moisture and gloss for when I'm recording videos or going about my day or whatever. Just, you know, to make sure my lips ain't dry. Gotta keep these lips luscious. Okay, gotta keep the lips luscious. So after I do that, I then go to my brows. And for my brows, I'm gonna show y'all what I use. Today, some days I use this. Today I'm gonna use this to carve them out a little bit more just because I'm being a little bit extra, but I don't use this every time. Everything that I do today is a little bit extra, believe it or not. And I'm gonna be using this Brow Architect, the Brow Architect by Tarte. It's a brow shaper, liner, and definer. You know what? Does this? Oh my God. I didn't realize this was in here. I just looked at that and every time I pull this out, I'm like, why does it have, it's all purple except for this part right here. But when I'm holding it up next to this, I'm like, huh, those are the same colors. I wonder, wow, I'm gonna try this today. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try this today. But if it doesn't work, because this has that part that I just showed you, it's got this, it's got the little pencil in here. And then this is this. It's by e.l.f. and its color is sheer, I guess is what it says. I don't know exactly what this is. I think it's a concealer, but it doesn't say on here, but I think it's a concealer. I literally sound like one of those videos where you get your boyfriend to do your makeup and he doesn't know what anything is. Just consider me to be your boyfriend who doesn't know anything about makeup, I guess. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for my eyes. And then I might use this Gimme Brow by, is it by Benefit? I don't know why this is so rubbed off. I like never use it, I just got it. But this is number, I wanna say it's number 5, but it's rubbed off, so I don't know for sure. Okay, so I'm probably gonna fast forward through this so y'all can see it kind of quickly and or like cut through it. So I'm gonna stop talking now and just let you see how I do my brows. Okay, I'll be listening to music, so if you see me singing or dancing, that's why. Okay, I'm gonna say, there's not really a method to my madness. I'm really just following the natural line of my brow here and making it a little bit darker and a little bit cleaner. I don't wax or pluck my eyebrows or anything like that, so it's not like super crisp, because you can see there's still like little hairs and things like that, but I don't really care. Usually I just leave them there because they don't bother me. Doesn't seem to bother anybody else either, so they just be chilling. Honestly, I like the way that they're looking. I'm not even about to do all of this stuff today because frankly I don't feel like it, so I'm not. So I'm gonna move on to not eyeliner, eyeshadow. I know the word for that, y'all. I know eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using, this is one of my favorite palettes. And I do have palettes with an S. Yes, girl, I got palettes with an S, but this is one of my favorites. I'm gonna be using the Zulu by Juvia's. Is that how you pronounce that? Somebody tell me if that's how you pronounce that. But this is the palette I always go to when I want like a fun look. It's really pigmented. Look at, oh queen, like, Yes. It's just super pigmented. I love the colors. I'm gonna be using first this pink right here. Does it have an actual, I don't think they have names. I'm gonna be using this pink right here, and I'm gonna be going over top of it with this like glittery pink that's right here. Sometimes I do this look with the two blues, but today I'm doing the two pinks. You know, that's gonna be my little pop of pink or red for Valentine's Day because I'm wearing all black today. Because I usually wear all black like every day. I don't own a lot of pink. I'm an AKA and I don't own a lot of pink. Crazy, right? Such is life. Anyways, again, there's no method to my madness in terms of the brushes I use. I have this brush. It looks like it was by SO. I don't know, but I'm using this brush. And I'm gonna be going into the corners with this Kylie Jenner palette. I actually got this for free from Sephora. No, from Ulta as a gift. And I also really like this one. Usually, this is one of my like kind of everyday go-to palettes just because it's such neutral tones and I like using neutral tones. So today I'm gonna be using the quartz in my, right here in my corners, inner corners, and to highlight my brows up here. I'm gonna go back to playing my music now. So when I'm doing this part, my goal is to almost kind of like bring it into like a tip, like a point right here. So it's really pigmented right on my eyelid, and then it kind of gradually gets less pigmented as I go out. I just kind of like feather it out to bring it kind of to a point. And I'll be doing the same thing on my other eye. So that's all I'm gonna do with the shadow. I'm gonna get into a ring light later so y'all can see this all a little bit better. But next, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. I am doing a liquid liner for this. This is Voluminous Liner Noir from L'Oreal Paris. It is the color Blackest Black, Noir Profound 300. I'm gonna be doing a liner, a top liner, and a wing. Okay, so we're almost done. The last one. Oh, I almost dropped it. Oh, I almost dropped this. Okay, the last and final thing that I do, because I'm done. This is the look. Okay, this is the look. The last and final thing that I do is my mascara. I almost said eyeliner. I know this is not eyeliner. This is mascara. Y'all seen that video where she's like, and then her husband's like, oh, eyeliner, away. I love them. So this is Superhero by It, and it is in the color Super Black. Everything I got is super black, apparently. And I just put it on there. And the other one. Wiggle. That's it. I'm gonna take my hair down. I'm gonna show y'all how everything look. And you know, let me know what you thought. Oh my gosh, it would be so funny if some like person who actually knows how to do makeup reviews this. I'm here for it. Maybe I can learn how to do it better. So if someone reviews this, I welcome it. Please do a reaction video. Just give me some tips while you're doing the reaction video, please. Yeah, I'm gonna take my hair down and just show y'all everything, okay? Show you the full look. The look. L-E-W-K, the look. Okay, I'm mid-fluff, but this is what my hair is looking like after taking it down from my pineapple after doing my wash and go. So you can see that there is some definition. Like you can see where it's more defined, where I've got my individual curls. But like I said, I've been fluffing.